Hello, Neiman Marcus friends and family. My name is Ippolita and I'm the founder, designer, and CEO of Ippolita Jewelry. And just like you, I'm at home, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to teach you a few fun tricks about how to play with your jewelry while you're at home and how to take care of it. So the first trick I'm gonna show you is how to shorten a long necklace. So you can take a long necklace that you have. This is a perfect example because it has stations, it has stones, but it also has little chain in between. And you can open up the clasp, leave it there where it is long, and then you can just pick a spot where you'd like to double it, like this. You know, you can measure first, and then I'm gonna clasp it in the front so that you can see. And then you just clasp it there. That way, the necklace strands will stay in position all day long without going up and down, which sometimes can be annoying. Then another trick that I try every single day, because this is the necklace that I wear every single day because it's made out of my two favorite necklaces, which is a white mother of pearl Sophia. It has actually many other stones as well, all white. And then my favorite gold chain, which is the cherished chain. So these are long, and I make them even longer by hooking them together. You can hook together any two necklaces to do this trick. It's better if they're different because, as you can see, then the difference is more visible. But the trick is that if you pull one long and you leave one short, then it looks like a long chain necklace. And then if instead you favor the other one and you pull that one forward, now it looks like a stone necklace with a chain detail. So this is fun to do, and you should try it with necklaces that are different. So they could be different metals, gold and silver, or different colors, or different scales. So you should just try it out and see which one works best. Of course, you could always shorten it and put it around a third time, and then this is a much more casual day wear look. So versatility is the key, and you know, I design for comfort and versatility. So I like to design necklaces that can be used in a variety of different ways, both front and back. So this necklace, for example, is a big chunky necklace and it has a big toggle. So you can either wear it in a normal straightforward way like this, or you can wear it with the toggle to the front, pull it through, and then have a little bit of a more rock and roll look. So that's fun. And as I was saying before, you can always hook two things that have similar clasps together. So this necklace, which is the Bastille necklace, and it's a bit of a smaller scale, for me is a little short this way. So what I do is I take the similar style bracelet, which I have here on my wrist already, together with my bangles because I'm a bangle queen. I connect it end to end with the necklace like this, and then I connect it, and now at this point it's a little long, so I can wear it as a lariat, and that's cool because you can make it shorter or longer depending on where you'd like it to end. So, and it also is easy because then it works on any different size neck. So now we're going to talk about bangles. So bangles are meant to be sexy, cool, fun, and comfortable. So because I make them mostly all the same size, although because they're handmade, some are a little bigger and some a little smaller, sometimes you want the bangles to stay in place and not clank around so much. So they're designed to actually be a little more snug around the wrist. So I make them oval. That way, when you put them on, you have to actually look what direction you're putting them on and put them on in the direction of the hand. And then once they are on your wrist, they of course move around, which is good because as you can see, it makes the center hole smaller, which makes them tighter to the wrist, and that way they don't move around up and down as much during the day. But if you're needing for your bangles to stay in place, it's always better to have a smaller one at the end. That way they don't fall down your hand. So if instead you have the opposite problem and they're a little tight, a quick remedy is you take a little scarf. This is just a little twilly. I find that silk scarves work best, but stockings also work very well. And you would put them on your hand and then put the bangle over it, and as you can see, it slips right on, and then you just pull this off. So that's a couple of things that you can try on your own. And if after playing with your jewelry you see that it's gotten a little dirty or you notice it's dirty, then you can do a home remedy washing of your jewelry. And you use just hand soap. We use Kiehl's a lot, but any kind of gentle hand soap will do. And then you take a toothbrush, and for example, if we use this bangle as an example, you would clean it from the inside to make sure that you're cleaning all inside the bezels, and you'll be amazed at how clean they come out. So try this all at home and share, because now we're all in a big sharing mood, at #NM Together. Thank you and see you soon.